Hi, this is Bob. I'm working at the Modex show. This is Modex 2016, and I want to show you our little three-wheel electric Hyundai forklift. This is an 18BT-9. It's our 3,500-pound electric truck. It's a three-wheel drive truck, so it's very, very maneuverable. It's also available as a 3,000 and a 4,000-pound model. As you can see, it's a 100% AC truck. Battery removal is very simple, either through the top or through slide outs, depending on your operation. If you need to be changing batteries often, it's very simple to do. The hood is heavy constructed steel, just like all Hyundai equipment is. We have dual hydraulic levers to help raise and lower the hood. Very simple to close. As a Hyundai company, we're always ahead of things as far as electronics go. This truck can come equipped with load sensing devices, so you can actually know how much the truck is lifting. We have mirrors that you can see all around you, about 180 degrees behind you. Visibility through the mast is extremely good. The dash module is color. All adjustments can be made without having to use a laptop, without having to use a handset. Everything is extremely done. As you can see, it's a color display. It tells you the time of day. It tells you miles per hour. It tells you how many hours you've been operating the truck. Everything is very accessible right through the dash module here. As you come around the front, it's all Hyundai masts. The Hyundai mast is built by Hyundai. It's available with 2-stage masts and 3-stage masts, so we can get as high as you need to get. Visibility through the mast is extremely good because the hoses are nicely tucked behind the channels. So everything is nice and simple for you. The operator's compartment, very accessible to get in and out for a very large person, for small person. We standardize on Grammer seats, which is the top seat in the industry. It's very durable. It'll last you probably the life of this truck. The truck comes with wet disc brakes. You may never do a brake job on this truck for the entire life of the truck. Entering and exit is very simple with a hand grab. We have adjustable armrests, so it's very simple to be operating the controls. This is a three-spool valve, so it's got lift, lower, tilt, side shift. Can be equipped with a 4-spool valve for other attachments. Very simple steering wheel adjustment, so depending on the size of your operator, he can get comfortable in this truck with no problem whatsoever. Halogen headlights, so real good visibility through the back. LED combination lights at the rear. Operators can see it from all directions. The truck can come equipped with rotating lights, strobe lights, rear drive lights, whatever you need. So the truck is just about anything you'd need as far as a three-wheel truck. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll talk to you again soon.